Hello everyone, I am Swati and I am going to present a presentation on the topic Smart Car Parking System using IoT. So, due to large population, we face many parking issues. Especially these issues are faced more in metropolitan cities. This smart car parking system will be of great help. The abstract is that smart IoT car parking system uses IR sensor to detect the cars which are entering a parking area. The free slots will be updated in the cloud, and the same can be viewed by drivers through their mobile app, and they can park their car in the free parking slot. The gate will not open if the parking area is full. Thus, it can help to park cars only in the provided slots and avoid clumsiness. Components which are required for this are proximity sensor, IR sensor in the range of 50 mm to 1.5 cm, battery 5 volt or 12 volt according to our application, Arduino Uno, or we can also use Node MCU or even Raspberry Pi, LCD panel and servo motor. And this block diagram shows us that users can make use of mobile app and GSM to know the nearest parking area and the free slots which are available there. And this circuit shows us that we have used batteries. The voltage depends upon the application, Arduino Uno or any other board, and sensors, IR sensors are used. We can also keep the sensors in the parking slots so that we can know which parking slots are free or which are full. And here we have a LCD display, and the same display can also be made in the mobile app. Explanation: we can see that this is the gate. The gate is initially closed, and it will be closed till no car is present. When a car is detected by the IR sensor, then the gate opens and it allows the car to go inside, and we can see that the number of empty slots in the display is reduced by 1. You can see that this free slots which are available is 4, and the gate will not open when all the parking slots are full. We can see that here all the slots are full and the gate is not opening though a car has come, and the display shows that no parking space is available. Therefore, this can prevent the car parking in these spaces which are free. That is, some cars will be parked maybe in these spaces which are not actually slots. Thus, it avoids the clumsiness which is present in our country mainly. The gate opens when car leaves. We can see here that the gate is open, and the number of empty spaces which are available is now incremented by 1. And the use of IoT in this project is that it saves the details of the cars entering, and also it can save the details of the cars which are leaving. All these can be saved in the cloud, and the same can also be viewed in the mobile app by the drivers. Extended project: a camera can be placed to know which cars are entering, and also a timer can be placed to know when a car has entered and when it has left. So this project can be extended like this, and further we can also make this project to book a parking slot. So before reaching the place, we can book the free slots. For example, if we are going out for an important meeting and we require a parking area, then we can book it initially, and for the other drivers in the mobile app, that slot will be shown as booked. Advantages of this project are that we can know about the empty and the free parking slot, and also, as I told, it will be helpful in the metropolitan city. The clumsiness can be avoided as shown already, and also we can make this to book the parking slots. So all these can be really advantageous. The disadvantage of this project are the battery has to be monitored, since we know that the lifetime of battery is very less. So we have to see that, otherwise the system will not work. And also this, as we know that it is IoT based project, it requires internet. Thank you.